Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be making pho or pho, pho. I think it's pho. Yeah, it's either Asian or Vietnamese a soup that I'm into. I love noodles, so I've been looking at it, eyeballing it for a long time. So I went on YouTube, I searched it, and I saw this girl did it at home. I will put her video on the side, you know, like share screen. And she did hers at home, very simple recipe. She used shrimp and chicken. I'm going to be using shrimp and chicken at the same time. She used fresh chicken. I'm gonna use chicken that I've already used. I have some on the side. So yeah, that's what, I don't know how it's going to taste, you guys, you know, but I'm a noodles person. I want to try it. Again, this is my first time doing it. Do not come for me until I get better, you know, at doing it. But let me show you the ingredients that I got. Very simple ingredients, very simple, and I'm likely gonna follow the instructions I do. What's in it? So please do not come for me. This is my first time trying this or making this. So yeah, so please, if you recommend anything, let me know down in the description. So further ado, let's try to make this. Okay, so here I have my noodles, water boiling now, and here I have my pot that I will be, let me turn this over, I will be using for this ingredients, you know, soup that we are going to use. First, we're going to use this noodles right here. This is the Thai Kitchen stir fry noodles. I got all of these from Walmart yesterday, you guys. All of these from Walmart. So if you're looking for, go to Walmart. Okay, so that's one of the ingredients. And here, like I told you guys, this is a chicken. I didn't want too much chicken in there. So, and this is shrimp right here that I have. I skin it out and I season it with, that's why I have the seasons right here with, you know, seasoned salt, black pepper, and also onion powder. So those are the three seasonings that I use to season my shrimp. Okay, and also a little bit of bouillon into the shrimp. Okay, and then you're going to need soy sauce, a chili sauce or garlic sauce, whichever one. And then we're going to use this broth here. This is the beef broth. I got the Walmart brand. It doesn't matter which brand that you use, but I got the Walmart brand, so I'm gonna put it in there. You guys, I've been wanting to make this last night. I said when I come from work, I'm definitely going to make this. So I emptied that in just like that. And this is the one that I use. But you can use any brand that you want to. But I'm using Walmart brand. Okay, so next here, I have the other ingredients I'm going to be dumping into. This is cilantro. This is hot habanero pepper. I cut it in half. This is what I'm going to be using. And I have green onions right here. And half an onion right here is what I cut. And this is the 2 lime that you're going to garnish when you're ready to eat your pho. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is to put these ingredients, the onions, and then the green onions, and then the habanero pepper. Okay, so I'm gonna put that in there like that, and then I'm also going to put the chicken to give it more flavor. And then I'm going to use soy sauce. You guys, the lady used 2 tablespoons. So we are going to use about 2 to 3, just like that. So I use 3. Okay. And then we're going to put some of the sriracha hot chili sauce here. If you don't want it spicy, do not make it spicy, basically. Okay, you guys. So I'm gonna let this cook and simmer down before I add the shrimp. You know, the shrimp doesn't take that long, but I want these ingredients to actually cook down because they're still raw. You know what I mean? So let me show you cilantro, you guys. If you guys don't know what cilantro is, this is green onion that I got from the produce junction. So this is what green onion is. If you want to make this recipe. And this is cilantro. I'm not too much fan of cilantro, so that's why I didn't use that much. But this is what cilantro looks like when you go to the produce junction or wherever you go. This is cilantro. That's how it looks. Okay. So this is very, very simple recipe, you guys. So just gonna follow that. Like I said, I'm gonna come back when this is all like almost cooked down, because I don't like it like too raw while I'm chewing it and stuff like that. So now basically we are going to cook our noodles. Now it says 4 to 6 minutes. After that, strain it and wash it with cold water and set it aside. So that's what we're going to do. So this is the noodles here. I'm gonna cook everything. Maybe not. I didn't mean that, to put that like that. Okay. So I'm gonna let that cook for 4 to 6 minutes. I will come back when this is all done. I'm gonna strain it, wash it with cold water, and set it aside. And this, once it's already like down a little bit, and then I'll come back when it's ready for me to add the shrimp, and then cook the shrimp for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then altogether we are done. It's very, very simple, you guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna follow her recipe, and you guys, let me taste. Okay, so I'm gonna come back. Okay, you guys, so it's been about 10 minutes since I started cooking this. So now I'm going to add the shrimp to it, and after like 10 minutes this whole thing is done. You guys, it is done. Make sure you taste for, you know, make sure everything is intact, you know. So yes, I'm gonna let it simmer down for like 10 minutes, and I'll come back, and then we're ready to dish our, you know, soup. So you guys, this is this. I washed this with cold water, and this is the noodle. Okay, it's just like you're cooking spaghetti, but this is quicker than spaghetti. So I wanted the really thin ones, you guys, but they didn't have it. So I settled for this. It doesn't really matter. So, okay. So you guys, I have my plate, my bowl here. I have my garnishing. I'm gonna put a little bit of cilantro in, because she did put a little bit in, and then the rest of it I'll garnish it on top of the soup once it's already been dished. So that's what I'm going to do. You guys, I don't have the chopsticks that they do eat it with, so definitely gonna eat it with a fork. If I get to Asian market or Vietnamese market, I will definitely next time purchase their their sticks. So, but for now, we are gonna use what we have. You know, it's no biggie. I want to either eat with it anyway, unless I have assistance with the spoon in that way. So I do have like a scoop, you know, that I will show you guys I'm gonna use. So yes, you guys, so I'll be back. Okay, right, you guys, so let's plate this whole thing here now. As you can see here, let's move here. This is the rice noodles here. Okay, you guys, that's how she had them. And then we're gonna take, it's hot, yeah, so we're gonna take our noodle. You guys, I think I did so well. Look at that. Look at that. Let me bring you up. Look at the rest of the soup left. But look at that, you guys. Let me bring you all the way a little bit. Look at that. Look at that. For my first time. Look at that. That is so good. So now we're going to garnish it with the same cilantro. Like so. And then the lemon. I mean lime, not lemon. Just like that. If you want to put it in there, I'm pretty sure you can. You know, it won't hurt to give it more flavor at all. So you guys, look at that. You guys see the African in me. What we normally do, like we just put this as my own thing I'm doing here, but the African in me, we just add this into this soupy, you know what I mean, like, okay, and to have this all up in this. I'll leave this for my son. I have this like so. Like so, okay, like so, and that will be it. But I follow the menu on how the Vietnamese people, you know, do their stuff. If you want more, I think I want more of this. So I'm gonna add the frame there, and basically. That is it, y'all. Look at that. Let me get some picture. So you guys, that is it for this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next one. Thank you.